Karibu tena guku gwa Kikuyu Daily News na gikore mugeni twika wa go subscribe niguo tunyitanire na thengio hapana asa weriganiro Eddie will never forgive you na ndari higwa kariganiro giko kiria wekire ino timiario yako na timurogama witu indi ni ciugo cia marakara iria irekereirio ni Mamake Boys uikaine ta Bernice Saroni akiaria na marakara thutha wa Samidoh kurekereria rwimbo rwa kuhoya muhera apologies kwi mutumia wake kana uria wari mutumia wake ide Derito na muini uyu ni uborete uria ona akeranira gucenjia mitugo yake akihoya Eddie ororoie ngoro yake na akorwo akinyihanyihia marakara niguo macokanu kuona moroto wake ni marere ciana me hamwe ona gukorwo Eddie Derito ndari address rwimbo ruru direct reke ni akoretwo akiaria ona gushare certain part ya rwimbo ruru haria arakiuga acakenda kugwa mutego-ini uyu kuona ni amenyerire maithori ma muini uyu maithori ma faku kana maithori morabu na ni ciugo arekereirie through kwitukira nenda cia Bernice Saroni uria niwe makire nake ko US senatorio kyo Bernice Saroni niwe one of the believed best advisors Eddie Derito haria arakiugire wendo ni uragai love is a scam na kuri muthenya wa ira Bernice ni aritie rita ringi na kurekereria ndumiriri akiaria undu uri uronekana address Samidoh hatari kumwitigira oriri muini uyu etereire Eddie akorwo agitua matua ma gucoka no undu uri riu urakionekana ni muritu all else it won't happen soon toria mashabiki mamwe ma Eddie maragietereire area ya makorwo magicoka no na riu maundu ni marikitie guthongomana thutha wa Bernice Saroni kurekereria ndumiriri ayuirwo ni marakara akiuria hihi mundu kwendete kana mundu muhikanitie agia na ndugu na thiriti cia kiwendo nja wa kihiko kianyu niki kingituma wohere mundu ta ucio akiuga heruo munene muno na hatiri undu ungiuka mutumia ona guciarire ciana akorwo agikuohera kona ndangiriganwo ni ruo ruu onete kana agererio akiuga asa forgiveness will never happen meriria ikiguciririe na banene ya mashabiki make na mafans ma Eddie Derito ona team nothing but prayers kuga Eddie Derito should not think of getting back to Samidoh matongoirio ni fani uyu uria ugite Samidoh and Karen Nyamu never considered this feeling they expect Eddie to accept the situation because they feel she has nothing to offer uyu akifeel sorry for Eddie Derito how she was mistreated ni Samidoh hamwe na Karen Nyamu magiciria hatiri undu Eddie agika kana gutiri undu agiregana naguo na magagiciria Eddie will definitely gwitikira polygamous marriage uyu nake akiuga Samidoh come listen you think it's easy agikira tu emojis twa guthukana ngoro uyu akiuga Samidoh wherever you are it is you that you are being addressed wewe Kwisha no turning back senator Kûhe na uyu akiuga miario ino ya Bernice Saroni arekereirie ni ya ku address Samidoh na gagikorwo akimutaga long niguo akigwa uria arakirwo na ino nio miario ya Bernice Saroni. Kikuyu Daily News subscribe.
I always ask myself, when you go cheat, when you start a relationship and you're married, do you ever think about your partner? Do you ever think how you're going to end up hurting this other person? Or you're just selfish? I find it to be very inhuman because you already have someone in a relationship or you're already married to someone else and you go start another relationship. How do you feel the other person feels? Do you ever in any time think about the other person? Ebu turn the coin the other way around. Kama ni unafanywa hivi, kama ni wewe partner wako ameenda akakucheat, unaweza feel aje? It hurts, right? It hurts very deep. Especially men, if your wife cheat, you cannot forgive them, right? So how do you think us women we feel when you cheat? It hurts, ndio? Huwezi forgive, but don't expect mama watoto wako akusamehe. There are things that can't happen like that.